Well, hello there. It is November 10th and it is getting a little chilly. And I want to talk about how you folks heat your small cabins and how you keep it comfortable at night. We have a little 12 by 12, a little bunkhouse. We're going to build a larger cabin, but we use a wood burning stove. Works great, but I mean, it gets so damn hot in here. I mean, it'll be 85 degrees in no time, and then you fall asleep, and then, of course, you wake up to go to the bathroom, fire's out, and it's freezing. So, this is our stove here. Might be a little too much, for a 12 by 12, but like I said, during the daytime, you could just feed it the right amount and types of logs and keep it comfortable. But like I said, before bed, you get her stoking and it's too hot to fall asleep. And then you wake up to use the restroom and we don't have a bathroom in here. You're going outside. It gets a little uncomfortable. So I just want to give you some tips on what I do. As it's approaching, like right now, it's 7:30, so I'll be going to bed, in a few hours. So what I like to do in these hours is I like to burn hardwood logs. I have maple, I had a maple tree die in the backyard, so I got a whole bunch of maple. And what that does is the hardwoods, whether it be a maple or a oak, it leaves coals in your fire. And that's what you want. You want to have coals in there, one, just to finds great heat. You just let them smolder and it's nice and consistent. Uh, or it's nice to have, obviously, to have coals in there. I'll just keep that open for now. To restart the fire. Now, our property is full of balsam trees that are dying. So I have unlimited amounts of balsam. And as you can see, the insects are getting in, and that's what's causing them to die. So that's free, burns hot, but burns quick, and leaves zero uh, coals, which is not a good thing. So it's kind of like, right now, I'm just going to get that nice, bed of coals going. And just before I go to bed, I'll probably just put something like this in there just to kind of smolder. But to be honest, what I have found is just, I have a bunk up there, but it just gets way too hot. So I'll be sleeping there. So better off just really getting comfortable in there. And another thing that I have found, and this is going to go back and say, yep, should have listened to your mother. A stocking cap. Before we got the wood stove, I'd come up here, I was heating with a Mr. Buddy heater, I'd run out at propane and be freezing at night. And I had my orange hunting, old cap, for deer hunting. Put that on. I could not believe the difference. I think it's like 60% heat loss through your head. So get yourself a nice, comfy stocking cap. Maybe, one that's maybe made out of, this one's a little bit itchy, but you put that on, huge difference. And if you're, camping in a little place like, a little cabin with no bathroom or a tent, lifesaver right here. If you could just stay in the cabin, get her done. They make those for women too, and not have to go outside in whether it be rain or snow or cold windy conditions. If you could just get her done inside, that's another key. But I'd like to know, yeah, what do other people do? Do you just get her hot, put her down, and then just deal with it? Or do you continue to try to keep a small fire going? Because that can be a pain too. You don't want to get up and then spend 15 minutes, 20 minutes getting a fire going. Oh, I should say that is one key that I do like to do. Always have a whole bunch of birch bark. Man, there's just nothing better than just taking a nice little strip, you know, just, I would say, like this amount really produces some, good flames and heat, and it'll get your fire going right away. So, again, I'd like to hear your tips, and if any of those tips that I shared are helpful, please leave a comment and make it a great day.